this? Owari Satsuma? Satsuma? Huh. No, man, we might have to make a little tangerine. This one got one on there. Alright. Just a little plant shopping. This is grapefruit. Look at this. That's what we got at the house, honestly. This is our grapefruit tree. It's literally our grapefruit tree. Ours bigger than this, though. We don't need no grapefruit. Let me see what else they got right here. What's this? Oh, blueberry. Oh, this blueberry big. I ain't got that much. They've been cleared out, man. People been. So these are like the Concord grape, Niagara. Oh, we got some raspberries. I might have to go get some raspberries. That's what I actually came for. Actually, what I came for. Raspberry got some little prickly deals on there. What is this? Oh, feed. People have been clearing these, a lot of blackberries. All these are no longer available right here. So when they got them over here stacked like that, that means they're no longer available. So people been clearing out the blackberries and raspberries. Well, I did find a few. Got a raspberry right there, which we don't have on the yard yet. Raspberry. I feel like it's gonna be a little too soft, but we'll try them out. We also got some more blackberries because I told you guys we just want to make it get some more blackberries out there, make the other side of the yard. We want to go over here, look up some herbs, see if we can find some different herbs. But for the most part, they got some grapes, and they do got some blueberries if we want to get some more blueberries. This one actually looks really good. Man, they look crazy. What kind is that? Oh, Titan blueberries. Oh, that makes sense. Oh, we might have to go get a Titan blueberry. Them things. That makes sense. Them folks are big. Yeah, let's find out. We're gonna do some more shopping, some more looking around, see what we want to get. Those Titans look good though. All right, guys, we got a couple things. We went ahead and got blackberry, triple crown blackberries. It's supposed to be like a good sweet variety and big and deals like that. So I got a raspberry, which we don't have on the yard yet. And then I got another blackberry. Because remember, like I said, the other side of the yard, we're going to just do like a blackberry farm type of deal. We're building the food for us, man. So take them to their new home. Look at them chilling back there.